All right, we're out here with this beautiful day, January 25th it is.
God, and the year is going so quickly.
So quickly, the
really
first
is.
of the month. The first month is almost over, but we're lucky to have this incredible sunshine, this beautiful view, and we're doing some bib stick.
That's it.
Let's get it started. So today, Jeff's a little tight. I want to do some lunges, but we're just going to go ahead and do just a quick little warm up before we actually get started. So let's just do some high knee raises, which is going to help to loosen up our lower abdominal area, and it's going to help to loosen up the lower back, the glutes, and the hamstrings. All the way down, your calves, it's pulling everything. And we're just loosening up the muscle tissue, the tendons, the ligaments that are running throughout your body. We're gonna just do a couple seconds right there. Let's take that to the outside. These are just some simple movements you can do to get started. Let's do a little bend to the side. I know we've already done this.
Let's go slow on this because we don't want to, it's early-ish.
Yeah.
We don't want to rip anything, tear anything. Things
No.
aren't completely warmed up. When you get to my age, things aren't as easy to warm up.
You tighten up faster.
Yeah.
It's kind of like when you break a bone and you're
Especially,
wearing a
yeah.
cast.
Especially I've been working so much, getting very, very little sleep. I got that dog, that little puppy.
So let's
Kid
go ahead
keeps me up.
and bend over. Oh, I could definitely feel that in my hamstrings and my glutes as well. Oh, yeah. Just simple movements. They're so effective
Yep.
and so necessary.
It feels great.
Pretty much on a daily basis.
I love
know?
how the bib stick rolls up and it gives you like an additional neck massage.
Exactly. Oh, man, only if you guys could feel how good this feels.
Where can we get these bib sticks?
Well, you can direct message me and I'll send you a bib stick for a fee of $55 plus shipping and handling. Or you can go to your local Home Depot, go to the lumber section. They come in an 18-foot long rod. Just pull it down, measure it out, give yourself 6 feet.
I think that sounds like too much work. Just go get the bib stick from Jamie.
It is a lot of
it.
work because then you have to sand it down.
Yeah,
you have to lacquer it up and sand it. You've got to do that 2 or 3 times to make sure there's no splinters. And this one, I've already done this numerous times, and yet there's still a few pieces of wood coming on out. So we just did that light little warm up. So here we're going to start with the lunge with a twist. We're going to go down into a lunge and twist the torso. And the twist is going to go opposite the knee. So if your left knee's going down, you're twisting forward towards it. All right, so let's get these started. We'll go with the forward twist with a lunge.
Whoop, this way. There you go.
90 seconds. When you step forward, twist the opposite direction. So take that left knee forward and twist the right arm. There you go, just like that. You just keep moving. So Jeff, you got a little bit backwards. So the your right foot's going to go forward, and your left arm is going to come this way, like that.
Got it.
Now opposite. There you go. So Jeff really wants to focus on this, tightening up his midsection there. And these are the exercises, as you can see, we're working underneath the leg, the top of the leg, and we're pulling this skin all around the midsection. It's like elasticity, like a rubber band. You stretch it and stretch it. You have to keep moving in these movements to tighten that skin up, and that's how you get the nice tight lower midsection, the tight obliques. That's our 90 seconds. Let's go ahead and stop that timer and get it started for the next exercise. This next one, we're gonna twist with a knee up. Just like we're doing here.
All
Let's
right,
go
we
ahead.
started the timer yet?
It's already
let's
started.
do it.
So you're already 15 minutes gone. down. There you go.
I would say that's like 4 seconds, but yeah.
Just like that. And you can do it. Bring your knee up. For those of you at home, people that may have a larger belly and may not be as flexible, we can just go stand, take a big deep breath, inhale, and exhale, and bring that knee up. Big deep breath, and exhale, bring that knee up. Just like that. It's all about slow movements, and as you progress, you're going to be more flexible, you're going to be more loose and more limber, and you're going to be able to move. And this is just stretching his shoulders, his chest, his back, all throughout his arms, all throughout his chest and his back, throughout his core, down to his legs. These simple movements, they look easy, but are they easy?
They're not easy.
Look at
I
that.
feel it in my glutes too.
Oh yeah.
Shoulders, chest, arms, and I could feel, you could see my stomach lays much flatter, rather than my normal position would be like that.
When you have the bib stick on the shoulders?
Yeah.
Let's get started. How quickly the 90 seconds is over. This one, since we need to loosen up that back a little bit more, we're just gonna do the bent over with a little roll and come back up. Now I know we've done this one before, but that's okay. You can add in these exercises because what he's doing now is just stretching everything out that we just kind of tightened up so that we can prepare for the next 2 rounds. That's one of the things that I like to do when I'm in the gym and I'm lifting heavy weights is in between my sets, I like to stretch.
And I feel this in my chest too. Like going back. Right
Oh
there.
yeah, it opens your chest cavity up, opens up your esophagus. It opens up the spine from the opposite direction as we go back, you know, because most of the time everybody's leaning forward, and as we age, we fall forward. So it's so important that you want to lean back to open up that vertebrae, because that's where all your nerves, just like this stick, your spine running down your back, all your nerves are running through that spine and branching out to all parts of your body. Which is what causes us pain and cramps. So we want to make sure that we open the body up to allow all that blood flow, all those messages from the body to the receptors.
This feels great.
We want everything to just pass through. So let's go back to that first lunge again.
You're really glutton for the pain on me.
Glutton for the pain.
Damn.
We are on round number 2.
Oh wow, forgot 3 of these.
Let's do it, yeah.
Remind me why I said let's do bib stick today.
Oh, because you said, I gotta lose this belly. I gotta
did say
tighten
that.
up this belly. And this is one of the most effective ways that I've learned in my 30 years of fitness, nutrition, and exercising to tighten up that skin. All these unorthodox movements with lots of repetitions.
Ooh.
And you want to try to get that stick to go nice and straight as we come down. And this is focusing on your core balance. I mean, I'm still not a professional at it. But I'll tell you what, 15 minutes of this a day and you'll feel younger.
Oh, this exercise is a lot harder than it looks.
And you'll feel great about yourself once you've accomplished it.
Yep, you do. Whoop, yep, there
Yeah.
you go.
Core balance, mental strength, stability. That's that,
Oh, yeah, I feel it right here.
which is the shoulder where you
Yeah.
were dealing with the tightness.
Yes, sir.
Let's get that twist with the high knee. Always When the stick comes forward, it's the opposite knee that's coming up. So if the right arm is coming forward, the left knee is coming up. And we exhale, exhale. So I'm really gonna hope that Jeff will spend the next 4 weeks, the last 4 weeks of this Bib Lifestyle Challenge, but then not the last 4 weeks of him, because once he's done, he's gonna continue to follow and live the Bib Lifestyle, because he's gonna feel the results and see the results. He's already felt them.
Oh yeah, and you know what I wanted to discuss with you is what to get. So when you're doing the Bib Lifestyle,
Yes.
what are we putting in there? Where do we get it? What are the benefits? Because people at home may be like, okay, I don't want to get all these ingredients, it's too much. So what are the core things you can get at your local supermarket? Because some of the stuff isn't really readily available all the time.
Well, that's why you want to get the book, My Health, My Story, How I Found the Bib Lifestyle. Because what I've done there is I've put a grocery list in there. And you go by that grocery list every single week.
That's great.
And there's a preparation on how to prepare everything, how much of it you're supposed to eat. Let's go on to that next one.
When I take that stick off, man, it's just, oh, you can feel it.
You could feel it. So let's go ahead to the bent over, roll down the neck.
All righty.
You just continue those, and I'm gonna finish about the book and the food, just like that. So there's a grocery list in the book. You go buy the groceries each and every week, and on the grocery list, I'll give you an example. You're gonna buy 5 different types of fruit. So then you're gonna go to the fruit section of the book, and there's a picture, and there's information on every page for every fruit that's available to us here in the United States, and that comes from different countries that's readily available to us.
That's amazing.
You actually learn about the fruit, the nutrients, the micronutrients, the phytonutrients, and the health benefits that you're going to receive when consuming that fruit on a daily basis. So that's what the book is designed to do, is to teach you about the food that you're eating and the health benefits that you're getting from consuming the food. And there's a different category for each food group in the book. We have our fruits, our dried fruits, our leafy greens, our cruciferous vegetables, our dried nuts, our grains, our oats, and our beans. And all of the categories, and the seeds. I forgot about the seeds as well. And so all of the categories are set up the same with all the different varieties of every one of those different nutrients, a picture and a page. Let's go on to...
With like the beans, for example, how do you cook those beans? I think it's really important, because you stressed soaking them in baking soda or something like that.
Well,
How's that?
not the beans. Let's go ahead and get this next one started. That's going to be the lunge twist.
And look at my posture already. I can feel, once you start using the bib stick even a little bit, you're really want to keep that posture going. And I already look thinner.
Yeah, you're looking great. It's a huge transformation already, just in 4 weeks.
I just want to go take this bib stick and use javelin, Olympic stuff.
Start jousting and javelin. Yeah.
All because of the bib stick.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that, because I feel the same thing. Let's get this next exercise going. It's the lunge twist. And with the book, the objective is every week you change up some items on the grocery list. So over the course of 6 to 8 months, you've eaten everything from the book.
Am I doing this right, by the way? This one to that?
Yes. Then you've put almost every single nutrient available to the human body inside your body, because that's what it's all about, is putting nutrients inside of your body. And Jeff, you just spoke about the beans. Yeah, I have a process of how I cook the beans. What I like to do is I like to soak the beans in hot water first. I'll boil some hot water, I'll add the beans, I'll let them sit in there for about 20 minutes. That begins the cooking process for number one, but also it's gonna burn off any bacteria or any pesticides or whatever dirt or filth may be on those beans. And then we're gonna pull them out, strain them, rinse them, and then we're gonna have another pot of hot water boiling already that we're gonna add those beans into. And it depends on the bean on how much time you're gonna use to cook the beans. Some may take 30 minutes, some may take 55 minutes, but no more than usually 55 minutes. And that's after even pre-soaking them in the boiling hot water for 20 minutes.
That includes that time?
That includes it. No, you would add that. Let's go ahead and get the high knee twist. I mean, yep, and with a twist.
Start that clock, Jamie.
It's going right now. You would have the 20 minutes of soaking in the hot water, and then you would add another 30 to 55 minutes, depending on the bean. Some do cook longer. Kidney beans.
For example, kidneys.
Kidney beans take about 45 minutes. The lentils will take much less time. Black-eyed beans, which is what you're eating this week, they take only about 30 minutes after pre-soaking for the 20 minutes. And we've got our little friend here.
Does Cannon get a credit in this video?
Cannon gets a credit in here. Look at
just
this
make sure
gorgeous
Cannon
guy
Blue,
right
that's
here.
it.
Yeah.
He just turned 70.
70 years old.
70 years old.
Dog years.
That's it, boo.
Huh.
Right?
Look at this good guy. Yeah, he just loves the lovin'. And we just got about 35 more seconds left of these, and then one last exercise, and the 15-minute routine will be finished. Yeah, I love the Labradors.
Cannon Blue. You can follow him at Cannon Blue.
Cannon Blue at Cannon Blue.
That's it. Yeah, right?
He's a popular guy.
He is. He's been on a lot of TV sets. He's had his own celebrity going on, traveled the world.
Nice.
Yeah.
Lucky guy. Can I get your paw graph?
That's it.
All
So
right.
comedian too.
The last exercise for the routine, you're gonna bend over with the bib stick on the shoulders.
Little break right there. Bend over, the rollover.
The rollover, yes. You get that little neck massage as well, and let's get that
This is the last one?
30, that's it. Last one.
Just for you, Jamie.
That's right.
Those shoulders are tight today.
Open up that chest, let's get it. Oh, I need it as well. I just did some deadlifts and some legs in the gym the other day. My wife and I, and boy, I'll tell you, I could feel it.
And you're locking your knees when you do this, right?
Yes,
Straight,
yeah,
yeah.
keeping the legs nice and straight. Absolutely, it's gonna help to get you the good stretch in the hamstrings. I feel it in my right hamstring.
And all the minerals that we have are really helping our
recovery.
yeah, and the cartilage and everything between.
Oh yes, yeah, the cartilage between the joints.
Because you can feel some pressure on those joints, but all the great nutrients we're putting in our body with the BIB lifestyle contributes to great joint cartilage health.
Inflammation, absolutely. Absolutely. Those root powders, they all have a huge role in the body. And that's the ancestral medicine right there. It goes back thousands of years. And that's it, guys. 15 minutes done just like that. 3 simple exercises, 90 seconds each, 3 times each. Get your 15 minutes in. This is the bib stick with the bib lifestyle, where you're gonna get the most incredible results on your body, for your body, and for your mental state. Another great routine today, Jeff.
And remember,
Be your best body.